Hey, Javier, we have a major problem, brother.
It's all black M4 competition. Blue tips, M4. Blue tips. It's like a IP titanium, Valvetronic. I don't know. Putting a NASCAR wing on your car, like what's the point? The M3 owner lives over there. It's M3. Yeah, it's an E92. M3. Yeah. M3 E92. Basically what the 335i is, but it doesn't have a V8 and it's not an M, like a true M. Nigga, they got a goddamn folded court. Let's do the nigga drop. So we got this big head truck. I'm gonna show y'all when I hit this corner. We call it the Josh truck. The Josh truck. If you know, you know. I'm saying that big diesel. Poles ain't poles, bro. The diesel, you know. But yeah, the black smoke come out. The diesel. I fucking knew it. Like, I didn't see the R8 for this long, and as soon as I pick up the camera, there's an Audi R8 spotted in my neighborhood. The ghoul comes out, he has to hide it. So, these niggas is practicing. Brian, make a shot on camera. In Crocs too, on me. I'm not deleting that. That shit is straight on YouTube.
Gotcha.
Ready? That nigga duck it. You know what I'm saying? Why do they make or goddamn put these bullshit ass gray shits and then leave the rest? Like, bro. Once again, this is the locker room. This is the locker room. My phone finna die. But I'm just trying to show you what it is. So, yeah. My number was 15. This is my trophy. Look at that. I'm playing.
I gotta put a lot of food on the table. I'm happy my people is stable. Run up the bands on my own, I did on my phone. These niggas thought that I was able. I remember Jesus, I'm going, I'm out on my zone. I can't even look at the time. Why you ain't tell me that I was so blind? Why you ain't tell me that I was so blind? Why you ain't tell me that I was so blind? Literally had to just look through the lens. These niggas faking, they lying, disguise. I got my knife, if you run up, you die. Shout out, I'm thanking the God. I got my hand over my heart. These niggas, they playing with fire. I don't wanna go back to dark. We don't give a fuck about your cries. I don't give a fuck about your lies. I did this shit, but niggas don't act surprised. I did this shit, when niggas they say that I can't. I spent a few rest in Balenciaga. I spent it, I ain't even think. We blowing the woods to stain. I hop at the back and I flame. I stay on my niggas like clank. If you got something to say to my face, if you got something to say to my face. Pace.